Alright, so you have an angle grinder and it's not turning right. Stick around, watch this video, I'll show you what the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so you have this angle grinder and the thing with this, it working right, but it's not spinning. Alright, so you're not getting any movement, but it's working. Alright, so I'll show you. Alright, so you're looking for continuity. Alright, so you check it for continuity. Right now it's off position, on position, off. Alright, so again reading, so therefore it's working but it's not spinning. So in a case like this, most of the time it will be the bearing. Alright, so the bearing in this gone. Let me show you. Right, so this is the bearing and this is gone. So I will show you, I'll open it up and show you how to fix it. Now the tools you need is a hammer, screwdriver, a bearing remover, a socket. Right, so that's the tools you'll be using. So first thing, make sure it unplug. So you need to take out the back cover. Right. Now you remove these 4 screws. That hold the gears in place. Now there's an easier way to remove the 4 screws, but in this case, to remove the 4 screws, you have to remove these 4 screws on top here. But the screws in this damaged, so it cannot remove. So that's why you take it on the side and remove all 4 screws on the side. Alright, so. Alright, so it's not the bearing. Bearing is not the problem. Right, so the problem is this, it lock. How it lock? This pin, you have a pin here. Now this pin, you have to press this pin to lock the shaft from turning, to add or to remove a blade. And then you pull it out. Right, so this stuck. That's why it's turning stuck. Right, so it's turning now. So the problem really wasn't the bearing, was this pin. So the pin, it went down and stuck. Right, see it turning now? As you can see it turning now. Earlier, the pin went down and it couldn't turn. Alright, so it's working now. So there you have it. The problem really wasn't the bearing. Right, so most of the time does be the bearing. The bearing is wear down. It is jam. And when it stick, the whole armature doesn't turn. So it's not the bearing. The problem is this pin. Alright, so I'll plug this together and show you it working and get back to you. Alright, so I'll put it back together and you can see it's still spinning free. So I'll plug it on and show you. Alright, so you see it working. Right, so the problem really was this pin. This pin went in and it locked the gears. So that's why it wasn't spinning. Okay. So there you have it. Now you know how to fix your angle grinder. As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.